Visitors were amazed by this handmade lamp using PVC. To start, you will need a PVC bathroom faucet. Take the PVC faucet and drill a small hole in the center, just big enough for a power-conducting wire to pass through. Next, take a copper conductor wire, which will be responsible for carrying electricity to the lamp. Feed the wire through the hole in the PVC faucet. Using pliers, uncover the wires on the electrical wire so they can connect to the electrical components. It is important that you do this task carefully to avoid damaging the wire or wires. Next, you will need a light bulb adapter. Attach it to the wire, making sure to connect each pole to the correct wire. To avoid any risk of electric shock, use electrical tape to cover the connections and ensure they are well protected. This tape will also help keep the wire in place. To attach the bulb adapter to the PVC tap, use a silicone gun. Apply a layer of silicone to the edge of the adapter and press it firmly against the tap. The silicone will help keep the adapter in place and prevent any movement that may affect the stability of the lamp. In the next step, take some HG elbows and attach them to the other end of the PVC tap. These elbows will allow you to fix the lamp stably on the ground. Make sure that the elbows are tight so that the lamp does not move or wobble. Now, thread the cable through the hole in a PPR pipe. This pipe will serve as the rod that will hold the lamp upright. Use a lighter to heat the male end of the elbow and mold the PPR pipe so that it is tightly fixed. This heating process will make the pipe fit snugly into the elbow. Cut the other end of the pipe and make a similar connection using 2 couplings and an HG elbow. This will ensure that the structure of the lamp is stable and sturdy. For the next step, take a plastic container and make a hole in it using a hot soldering iron. This hole will allow the wire to pass through the container. Make sure the hole is large enough so that the wire won't get damaged as it passes through. Thread the wire through the hole in the container and then thread the pipe through the container as well. Use a washer to secure the container in place, ensuring it is securely fastened. Make another smaller hole in the container to thread the wire through. This container can be decorated with colored stones or other embellishments according to your preference. Fill the container with the decorative stones and place it in the base of the lamp. Finally, place a light bulb into the thread of the lamp adapter. With all these steps completed, your PVC lamp is ready to use. Enjoy your new creation and amaze everyone with this original and functional piece of lighting.